Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito, the most annoying justice on the court, is making news today, potentially big news that might actually warrant criminal investigation. No, it's not another bribe. And no, it's not another flag. And no, it's not another failure to recuse. And no, it's not cheating on his income tax. That's Clarence Thomas's forte. And no, it's not another attempt to legislate from the bench. And no, okay, I could be here all day with this list. But yes, tell me again how he's not corrupt. There's actually several things going on with Alito, and one of them is that it is no longer hyperbole to call Alito annoying. CNN's chief Supreme Court analyst just got done publishing a story that shows it's not just liberals who think Alito is annoying. Supreme Court justices do as well. Writing about the important decision of states regulating media platforms, Joan Disgraced wrote that Alito went too far for two justices, Amy Coney Barrett and Ketanji Brown Jackson, who abandoned the precarious 5-4 majority and left Alito on the losing side. As a result, the final 6-3 ruling, led by Justice Elena Kagan, backed the First Amendment rights of social media companies. In other words, at the start of the process, 4 other justices basically agreed with Alito. But then, as he was writing his decision, well, he tried to go Alito more to the right, and that made him lose Brown Jackson. And then he tried to go Alito more to the right again and lost Coney Barrett. And it's not the only time that happened. Disgraced also wrote, "It is rare that a justice tapped to write the majority opinion loses it in ensuing weeks, but sources tell CNN that it happened twice this year to Alito. He also lost the majority as he was writing the decision in the case of a Texas councilwoman who said she was arrested in retaliation for criticizing the city manager." So it is official. Alito is annoying. And not only that, but he is seriously losing sway on the court. This CNN report also went on to say that he has seldom faced this level of internal opposition. Overall, Alito wrote the fewest leading opinions for the court this term, only 4, while other justices close to his 18-year seniority had been assigned and kept majorities for 7 opinions each. In other words, this Supreme Court justice is getting benched. People don't agree with him, they leave his position, and they're not picking him to play dodgeball anymore. And apparently, Alito has had enough. Media outlets today are reporting that Alito is contemplating retirement. This isn't news, of course. His wife admitted to that when she drank too much at a fundraiser and talked to an undercover journalist. But Alito may well have crossed the line and committed a federal offense because, in fact, when it comes to the possibility of retirement, Alito is guilty of holding America hostage. Raw Story is reporting today that Alito is dropping hints he'd like to retire from the Supreme Court, but only if Trump wins. I mean, come on, talk about holding the country hostage? Vote for Trump or I'll continue to haunt the court like the far-right ghoul that I am? Seems to me somebody should exercise their rights and try and get rid of him with or without Trump. Oh wait, somebody is. Remember AOC? Well, this is what she had to say about Alito being on the bench.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise today to introduce articles of impeachment against Associate Justices of the Supreme Court Clarence Thomas and Samuel Anthony Alito, Jr. The second resolution includes the following impeachment articles against Justice Alito. 1 count of refusal to recuse from cases in which he had a personal bias or prejudice concerning a party before the court, and 1 count of failure to disclose financial incomes, gifts, reimbursements, property interests, among other information.
And unlike right-wing stooges, AOC don't play. She is filing those articles of impeachment for real. There's a reason why Alito is dropping hints of retirement. He wants to pave the way for quitting if there's a blue tsunami in November, because AOC is not alone in wanting this corrupt ideologue off the bench. Right now, Harris is running on her momentum, and I hope that momentum continues to grow all the way through November. But Harris could do a great job of extending her coattails to down-ticket Democrats if she would pledge to expand the court. Yes, Biden's proposals for amendments are nice, but we can't wait that long. This country needs justice now, and Harris could help deliver it if Democrats would go out and start talking about saving the court by expanding it. All we need is a little more push by the left. I'm Anthony Vincent Gallo for Occupy Democrats.